Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried rice simple at home. First, ensure you have day-old, cold rice. This is crucial for that perfect texture. Next, prepare your ingredients. Chop your favorite vegetables like carrots and peas, and have your protein, such as scrambled eggs or cooked chicken, ready. Finally, measure out your seasonings like soy sauce and a touch of sesame oil. Now, let's get cooking. Heat about 1 tablespoon of oil in a large wok or skillet over high heat. If you're adding protein like chicken or shrimp, cook it first until done, then remove it from the pan and set it aside. Next, add your chopped vegetables, such as carrots and peas, and stir-fry them for about 2 minutes until they are tender crisp. It's time to bring everything together. Add your cold, day-old rice directly into the hot wok, breaking up any clumps with your spatula. Then, reintroduce your cooked protein and the sautéed vegetables. Pour in about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil, ensuring it's evenly distributed. Stir everything thoroughly to combine all the delicious flavors. Continue to stir-fry for another 2 to 3 minutes, making sure all the ingredients are heated through and well mixed. For a final touch, garnish your homemade fried rice with some freshly chopped green onions. This adds a wonderful pop of color and a fresh, aromatic finish. Your simple, delicious fried rice is now ready to serve. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.